central Grant County and central Washington, eastern Douglas County and north central Washington, until 7:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:46 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 11 miles southwest of Dry Falls Junction, or 14 miles north of Ephrata, and moving north at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Coulee City, Dry Falls Junction, Mold, Sims Corner, and Leahy. In addition to large hail, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Douglas, and Grant. The 6 a.m.
They're playing enter. Or do I have? He stands on.
The wind was southeast at 6.